Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. resqme Pack of 2, the original emergency keychain car escape tool, 2-in-1 seatbelt cutter and window breaker, made in USA, safety yellow. The original 2-in-1 life-saving compact car safety tool, this emergency keychain hammer provides peace of mind in case of car entrapment. Can be used in various situations: rollover, electrical system failure, car fire, floods, sinking car accident. Jammed seatbelt cutter. The razor-sharp, stainless steel blade allows to cut a jammed seatbelt in no time. Slice the seatbelt diagonally for a quick and clean cut. Can be used multiple times. Tempered glass window breaker. The solid, heavy-duty, stainless steel spike easily breaks tempered glass car side windows. Hit preferably one of the corners of the window. Spring-loaded mechanism and resets after each use. Reusable multiple times. Made in USA. We pride ourselves in offering efficient and reliable, made in the US, safety tools for the last 20 years. Trusted by first responders, law enforcement and EMTs, and carried by more than 8 million motorists worldwide. Thanks for watching and subscribe.